Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Power off the Xbox and the router before you begin. Wait 30 seconds and then restart both devices. This clears transient network errors and improves discovery. Confirm the router broadcasts on 4 GHz and supports 802. 11G compatibility with the Xbox 360 hardware. Move the console closer if walls or distance block the signal. Aim for a Wi-Fi signal above 50% at the Xbox location to avoid frequent disconnects. Have your wireless network name and passphrase ready before you proceed. Turn on the Xbox and sign into a profile if required for settings access. From the dashboard, open Settings, then select Network Settings to begin. Choose Wireless Network and wait while the console scans for SSIDs. Select your exact SSID from the list to avoid connecting to the wrong access point. Choose WPA2 security if it appears, then enter the network passphrase slowly and confirm accuracy. Use automatic IP via DHCP initially. Switch to manual IP only when automatic addressing fails. After configuring Wi-Fi, run the Xbox network connection test from network settings immediately. The test reports NAT type, latency, and packet loss percentage to help diagnose issues. If the test fails, restart both router and console, then run the test again to clear temporary errors. Clear the Xbox wireless MAC address in console settings and reboot the router to refresh DHCP leases. For strict NAT or persistent failure, forward port 3074 on the router or try a wired Ethernet cable to isolate wireless problems.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.